Hey gang, how's it going? My name's Amy Harber. This is Tomboy Beauty. This is the unboxing for the August 2018 Target Beauty Box. And I know, why does it look all beat to hell? Well, we're going to get into that. The theme is Hello Summer Stunner. And there was something stunning about this box. So we will talk about it right now. So this is the August Target Beauty Box, and you're probably thinking like, Amy, why does this box look all beat to hell? Like, did your cat eat it? What's going on here? Why does it look like it has freaking mold on it? What's going on? Why does it look like there's like a hole chewed in here? Well, I will tell you what happened. See, this box was all wrapped in plastic, and it was like that, and I was like, what the hell? And then I took the plastic off, and all the cardboard was soaking wet. Yes, hello Summer Stunner. Guess what? One of the products leaked, which isn't that freaking fun. So I was supposed to have some Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Salt Wave Sea Salt Spray. It's an Allure 2016 Best of Beauty Award winner. However, the lid was off, and, well, the only salt spray I have is all over the box and at the top of the thing. Do you think Target refunded me the money for the box? Do you think they offered me to get me a new box? No. I complained, and they were just like, oh, well, we'll check with the people that we use for our shipping. Okay, everything in here is soaked. Not cool. Also, if you go on Target's website, I'm not the only one it happened to. There were people that got their everything soaked. There's also people that got, oh, look, this, I just picked this up and the thing was loose. Anyway, the lotion bottle, yeah, loose. So they had lotion. At least they didn't have lotion all over everything. So anyway, the products that are salvageable, here we go. So we have the simple Kind to Skin cleansing wipes that even remove waterproof mascara. It's got Aqua Lock. It keeps every fresh white wet. It's perfect for on the go. In my model actor bag, I like to keep a pack of these just in case the makeup artist goes crazy on the shoot, and then I, have to take off makeup and not look like, a homicidal maniac or something on the train here in Chicago. Then we have Acure Brilliantly Brightening Day Cream. It's a moisturizer, so it will give you a beautiful complexion, which, yeah, it's got sea salt spray on it, and the lid was loose on it. Target, what's going on, man? Just, I don't know, hire someone to tighten the lids or something. Then we have Bliss Fab Foaming Face Wash. It's also covered in salt spray. It's got a nice gritty feel. Don't have to worry about dropping it. It's got some grit to it, some grip. Then we've got the Eden BodyWorks Coconut Shea Body Lotion. I just got done using the Eden BodyWorks Coconut Shower Gel. It just ran out in my shower, which I love it, which means I can now still smell like coconut because I have body lotion. And I was one of the fortunate ones that the lotion didn't leak all over the box. Then, on the little card here, it tells me I have my beach spray, but I don't have Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray. And that's sad, because I love some sea salt spray for texture. Not this kind of texture. This is going to be a mess to try to get out of my hair. And then finally, we have the Schick Intuition Fab 5 Bidirectional Blade Razor, which would be really cool. However, I do Billy, so I have a subscription to Billy, so this might just become a travel razor, or if somebody comes and visits me and they forget their razor. I've got a razor for him because I'm a good friend like that. And then I've still got my coupon for $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more. So, and they ask me why it looks like hell. I'm going to be like, because your beauty box leaked. So, that is the Target August 2018 beauty box. Follow me, and I will see you next time. Stay beautiful.